Kaysayan of the Duterte or Marcos families could become the next Philippine president. That's according to BizNews Asia magazine publisher Tony Lopez. In his Manila Standard column, Lopez said this could happen if survey trends and the feudalistic selection of leaders continue. He said Philippine presidents only came from 5 families over the past 60 years. The Macapagal and Macapagal Arroyo held the post for a combined 13 years. Ferdinand Marcos and Fidel Ramos, who are cousins, ruled for a total of 26 years. The late Corazon Aquino and her son, Benigno Aquino III, became president for a total of 12 years and 4 months. Joseph Estrada was president for 30 months and President Rodrigo Duterte 6 years. Based on Pulse Asia's presidential survey, Lopez said, Davao City Mayor Sara Duterte topped the February to March 2021 survey. While former Senator Bongbong Marcos got the number 2 slot. Lopez noted in his column, for the BizNews Asia publisher, the 5 families' control over Philippine politics shows the country is far from being a democracy.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.